All right, I'm back. Give me 1 sec, I forgot Alright. I got this idea because it's one of the first game I coded like at this point 15 years ago. So Momo is a card game. A bit like Uno, Crazy 8, stuff like that, but a bit simpler. I didn't really put any thoughts about how I'm gonna code it. I did want to do, I did start with some card designs. I have to log in. Dang. All right. So I found a card design in on itch.io that was in the public domain. Let me find it. And then I fixed the cards myself, those that were broken. They have a lot of assets now that people share on that side. Oh, I think I found it. So it's this thing under the CC0 license. So that's perfect for a tutorial. I guess I don't have any card backs. I'll have to maybe design something. Anyways, I made some cards. That's what I'll use. All right, game compiles. Oh, I should have fixed that in my starter code. All right. So step one would be, here I'll open the page, Wikipedia. Is a 2 to 5 player popular thing. Okay. Rules: typically play with a 32 card pack. King, Queen, Jack, 10, 8, 9, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 32 32. I forgot. I didn't remember that was a thing. Which from which the 2, 3s, 4, 5, and 6 have been removed. The aim is to be the first to get rid. Or German pack. Alright, so I think the way that I'll code a card will be, and I guess later I'll have to assign a thing. Let's start with just creating something called a card. Card though. A card? Enum. What would be the, how do we call this? Let's see. So you have suits. Space. Maybe I just do that. Maybe the S is needed. All right, and then you have each should contain 4 face court cards. National patterns. Maybe I call it a rank. Three or 4. Use in many. I'll just call that 1. So the ranks would be, I'll use a full deck maybe. Oops. 3. 5. Wow, writing is hard. Jack. Perfect. And so now a card is built from a suit. Oops. And a rank. What is it? I gotta turn that off. They made an update on my graphics card software, and then they started doing like global keybinds using keys that I'm already using for other stuff. All Alright then. I'm surprised they don't want me to like use their new stuff. Alright, now that I have that, I can generate cards. Okay. And a deck will be... So the main goal is that you're able to generate cards, shuffle the cards. We'll do just a list, I guess. I was thinking maybe a dictionary with like... but maybe I don't need to. List of card. Okay. Can we loop? Can I do this for each? Does that work? And do you have anything for me? No, you don't. Interesting. Fine. Enum that get values. And then I can just store that. Was it? It's just add a new card. I'll give it a better name, I guess. This doesn't work. I guess I got it in the wrong order. I did not. Suits, rank. What is this? Class object. Ah. Hey, welcome, error. Play Scion. I played Scion earlier, but not on stream. Hey, welcome, EG Nader. What was your name before? Okay, this generates the deck, that's good. Cards. Oh, okay, yeah. Alright, so now that I get this, I need... This game needs like a bunch of things. It needs like a list. So there's cards, and there's like the discard, and then there's yeah. Wait, this is fine code. That's funny. Okay, this card. Then there's the hands. I could either code it like hard code with 2-player or allow it to have more than 2. Maybe I call it there's like a deck, then it's different than the cards. Maybe not. Maybe then I call this deck. And then I'll need a function to shuffle. Is there something built in to C# for that? Random.shuffle, is that a thing? On T. This is from random, okay. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, let's try that, I guess. Okay, I'll probably change that later, but whatever. Shuffle, and I give you my deck. That doesn't work. Oh, it's on a span. Give me 1 sec. I sent my dog outside right before the stream. She probably wants to come back in. All right. So how do you do this? Oh, order by, interesting. Yeah. Best feeling. And then you have to back to like debug. Rip. List of that order by. That's really interesting way of doing it. I mean, it's kind of smart, right? But can't I use the shuffle? Is there like a thing like 2 span? No. What if I do like this of type card? Ah. fine. I'll just do this. It's so much simpler. So deck dot order by. This feels really C#y, so I guess it's fine. R dot next. Wait, to list. Is this not required? Can be simplified. Nice. Oh, that's some really C# stuff. Kind of dislike it, but meh, it's fine, I guess. Okay. So we'll start. I'll call this right away. At the end of this. Then I'll just print it here. Oh, also. Okay. In deck. Can't write at all. Is it not public? I forgot. And in here, I think I'll do a match. Hey, it does look shuffled. That's good. 9 of spades. Very cool. Okay, public. It could be a static, I think. Is match. This returns a bool. Card A. If A dot suit equals B dot suit, or A dot rank. Oh. And I guess I just returned that. That's kind of powerful. And I guess this would also need later a texture to draw, print it, to draw it to the screen. And I need a card back design. this is gonna be called back. Alright, so it's just that actually. And maybe I combine like a bunch of those. Do I make an asymmetrical card? I wonder if there's room to put all of them. Oh, I can overlap, that's true. Pasted under. I'll fix it after. Oh, I should also... Oh. It would have been good if I grouped them. Kind of looks nice though, at least. Group. Oh, come on. Oh, whoops, my bad. For a sec, I thought that was part of the clubs. Spades. Oh, okay, so found the bug. Turns out using 4x top left vertex does not make for a good quad. Haha. Should I just do this? Have them be... No, that looks better, I think. What about spades on top? Okay, and then I'll just steal one of the little hearts like that. Maybe this one too. Oops. What is this? Like, oh, that's cool. Okay, clubs. I think I want them closer, maybe. Maybe like that. Not the worst. Alright, that will be my card back, I guess. Wait, is that? Is the heart not centered? Okay. Alright, time to code the game rules. So players take turn. How many cards do you give? Something like 5, right? Or dealt usually 5 or 6. Generate deck. Deal. Hands. The API is like this: private, deal hands, draw a card. Oh, interesting. I guess later I'll change this so that it's not a list. Because you want to allow the player to move the cards around in their hands or something to feel like an actual card game. Anyway, we'll start with that. Draw call. And I guess to put a card down, you just draw it over the deck. Maybe I start by exporting this right away. I want to export each card. How do we do that? Pretty sure there was an option. Plugins. File. Export. 0 of 0 selected. That's not correct. Then object. I've done it in the past. I just forgot what I was doing. Export settings. Click the plus. Oh, interesting. So if I do this, there's an export. All right, that's here. So where's the export setting? Right, I would want to make a sprite sheet after. How big is this? Oh, this one is not part of it. Back face. Move that at the bottom. Is there not like a... I do think I want to export this closer. There we go. Maybe I'll just make the sprite sheet myself manually. Oops, it's down here. Exporting to system 32. Oops. How big is this? That's not bad actually. That's the size. That's pretty good, I think. All right, so sprite sheet. I'll just make it like that, JSON stuff. Looks like each card is this 253. Card. This is not that. Should just be a list of my cards. And then a card has it's just a position, right? Yeah, and you need to have also the name. So I'll do like suit and then rank. We're not gonna do that. Oops. Suits. So the first one would just be ace of diamonds. Of hearts rather. And then the value would be this. So 0, 0. And then 253. And 359. If I move this, so this would be plus 253 plus 15, I think. Nope, that's not correct. Plus 14. Nope, not correct either. Wait, actually. Oh, so it has a different width, it seems, this one. I guess this side is a bit different. Interesting, that makes it a bit more annoying, maybe. Whatever. 254, 259. Okay. So plus so I guess it still is 254. It doesn't matter that much anyways. Hey, welcome. Oh, you're lurking. Never mind. Okay. That looks correct. Seven 99 0. Okay. Okay, so 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King. Five, 6. 8, 9. King. All right, 5. 6. 'What's nice is that once I'll have this done, I can just copy, and then it's only the Y that changes. This is 6, 7. The spacing is not exactly equal between all of them. Okay, 9. Oh, what is this? Two, 3, 9, 8. Jack. 2, 6, 6, 4. Maybe I'll do a multiplayer for this. 2, 9, 3, 1. And the last one. All right. Now I can just copy all of this. Okay, all the hearts get replaced with clubs. Oops, not that one though. Ace, and then on the Y. Oh, also let me just check back because they were all 254, and the height was 359. Oh, the first one could be no, it is 253 then. Okay, clubs. So 359 plus. Interesting. So the other ones have a different height maybe? They look like they're a bit taller. Man, my mic keeps doing that. Again? So weird. Horrible sound, wow. Oh, I forgot I turned off the cam. Hello. That was so annoying. All right. So 250, 372. Okay, let's try the second one. 266. This looks correct, I think. So 372. We'll look for what? 0, I guess. Oops. Cool. Ah. Okay. So the next one is, so that was 372. Looks like it's still fine, maybe. I'll allow it at least. So that's 744. All right. And then this one, oh, also I'll need to change that name. What's the number again? 372. Looks correct, I think. So that's 1116. Okay. And then for the clubs, king, this becomes diamonds. Then this one becomes spades. All right, so that's my sprite sheet. prefer. Like that. That should be good. .NET, MGCV editor, and that's inside of content. And you're gonna just be copied. Why did I call that values? Card. Sheet. Okay. Now, to remember how to parse this. Card. No, you don't go there. I gotta end this stream soon. Public class. And then what is in there? There's a public. I guess it's int in this case. X. Public int y. Height. And then there's also a string for the suit and a string for the rank. Public. Oh, and all of those should be properties. That didn't work. Let me check if I forgot anything. Oh yeah, I did actually. Let's copy this. Oh, true, I can actually make this be. I should just do this. Okay, the settings will be card. Not that. What? All right. Cool. There's no settings in here, right? Cool. And let's just verify one more thing. Okay, that looks fine. So I have this to my content pipeline. Also now this is no longer needed. Okay, well, step one, just load it. Texture. 2D. Just card sheet, I guess. Come on. Okay, and then card sheet is fine. Okay, let's load that. Equals. Asset name is card sheet. No, it's just cards. Okay. This should work. Let's draw it. Is that begin? Ah, come on. Is that the worst possible autocomplete? Oh. Draw. You get card sheet. Well, it's not called. Yeah, it was card. No, we'll leave it like that for now. Source rectangle for now is fine. Color white is fine. What does this look like? Bum bum. This should be renamed later. I hope I can code this in like maybe 200, 300 lines of code, including like networking. And I also want to have an AI in here. Are we like okay? Did I crash? What happened? No, okay, it's still. Oh, nice. Wow, those look so nice. And let's just give this a try with a source. Then I'll probably end it here. The source textures, like new rectangle, will give you, for now I'll hard code this 253, 359. What is this? You don't like that? Okay, you do. And then I'll try like a random one from like down here. Very nice, very nice. Okay. So 10 of diamonds. 2, 3, 9, 8. 744. 354, 359. Hey. Am I crazy or this looks kind of shit? I guess it's because it's so wide. Everything else is like 1 digit. And then this one takes 2. And it's not I guess it's fine, but it goes like so close to the edge. I'll probably move it a bit. Alright, so it works. I think I'll end the stream here though. I'll do a to-do. To-do. So what else? I mean, that's the main thing, I guess. Yeah, the rest is like just the game rules. All right. Hey, thanks for